Multiplication is the calculation we use to express repeated additions of equal groups. For example, these balloons are in equal groups. How many groups of balloons are there? There are 4 groups. How many are in each group? There are 3 balloons in each group. There are 4 equal groups of 3 balloons, so this is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 4 times 3, which equals 12. This is the multiplication symbol. Take a look at these other balloons. Are they in equal groups? No, they're not. This means that we can't make a multiplication sentence. We can only express the total number of balloons as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. Remember, multiplication is repeated addition, but only of equal groups. Let's have a look at some more examples. In this picture, we can see 3 groups of 5 apples. How many apples are there in total? We can express this as the repeated addition 5 plus 5 plus 5, or simply as the multiplication 3 times 5. The total number of apples is 15 either way. Using repeated addition will always help you to find the answer to a multiplication, but it is much, much quicker to learn your times tables by heart.